As part of environmental protection, an increasing number of countries all over the world are stepping up measures to reduce harmful emissions and air pollution. But environmental concerns do not always require a total re-equipment or change in industrial processes. MagTreat products from Brucite Plus are natural magnesium hydroxide produced in an eco-friendly way from natural mineral brucite. Natural alkaline properties provide unrivaled effectiveness to MagTreat reagents for treatment of wastewater and industrial gases against harmful impurities. One of the main applications for MagTreat is marine exhaust gas desulfurization. Shipping companies around the world choose to install scrubbers as the most effective and eco-friendly way to comply with international regulations. In closed and hybrid scrubber systems, MagTreat is used to control the pH of recycled water. The special formulation of the MagTreat S suspension prevents foaming in the scrubber system. Due to the low molecular weight and bivalence of magnesium, as well as the high concentration of solids, the MagTreat S suspension is more effective than caustic soda solution. An equivalent amount of MagTreat saves space on board a ship. This being said, magnesium hydroxide poses no danger to the ship's crew, requires no heating of the storage tank, nor any corrosion protection. MagTreat products are effectively used to neutralize acidic flue gases at thermal power plants, metallurgical and waste incineration plants. With MagTreat, there is no need for lime in gas treatment. This increases process efficiency and eliminates any sulfate deposits in the system. Besides, high-margin byproducts such as mineral fertilizers can be produced with MagTreat. The third main application for MagTreat is treatment of industrial and municipal wastewater. The product helps to effectively solve such problems as pH control, precipitation of heavy metals, reduction in chemical oxygen demand, and dosage of other reagents. MagTreat is excellent for maintaining optimal pH during nitrification in biological activated sludge treatment. Poorly soluble magnesium hydroxide is consumed gradually, protecting the system from sudden changes in pH, even in the event of a substantial overdose. Due to the bivalence of magnesium, unlike caustic soda, MagTreat reduces the dosage of expensive flocculants and coagulants, improves water trapping of sludge, and increases sludge density. By optimizing wastewater pH, magnesium hydroxide reduces the release of toxic hydrogen sulfide to complete absence. MagTreat protects employees from poisoning and sewage systems from corrosion. MagTreat is an effective and, at the same time, eco-friendly product that is actively used all over the world to ensure human safety and health. Use the unique properties of natural magnesium hydroxide to meet your environmental challenges. From geology to innovation, Brucite Plus.